common thing for either free response or multiple choice, you'll definitely see this on multiple choice, is trying to find the K value of an unknown equation given Ks for other equations. So when we're doing this, it's similar to a Hess's law situation where we are taking multiple equations and trying to combine them and get them to line up and match up to create our overall reaction. In doing so, things are canceling and we're still setting our products up over our reactants. So the reaction we would be looking for is right here. We have carbon dioxide and hydrogen making methanol and water. It's all in the gaseous state. And then we have a couple reactions that have those chemicals as either reactants or products. The first of the two given ones, which is related to K2, has CO2 as a product, but we need to know what it would be as a reactant. It also has hydrogen as a product, and we want it as a reactant. And it has water here on the reactant side where we want it to be a product. So in doing so, we reverse the reaction. And because K values are products over reactants, when I flip that, or when I exchange my products and reactants, my K is the multiplicative inverse, where it's 1 over K, or the reciprocal. All of those mean the same thing. So 1 over the K value, or 1 times 10 to the negative 5th. The second one already has the product where I want it to be. The methanol already has hydrogen on the reactant side, so I kind of recopy that. When I add these two up, I put all of my reactants here, all of my products there. And the way I would combine two Ks, because they are related to multiplication, is by multiplying them. But I'm not combining the original K2, I'm combining my new K2, which is the reciprocal of it. So I'm taking that new value, I'm putting that in, and then I see here I crossed off the CO because it canceled. The 2H2 and the 1H2 combined to 3H2, so I double checked and made sure they combined correctly. So on multiple choice or free response, you might see something where you're just reversing or multiplying a K by a certain value, or very common that you would also be combining them like this, where you would need to do multiple steps.